Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can optimize our website images, okay, using the built-in image editor, okay. So let me go ahead and show you how we can do that. First, I'm going to create a new custom page. You can actually edit on any existing page. So I will just name it something, custom page. Now I will show you the differences that would make using the built-in editor, built-in image editor, and how it would affect you without using the editor. Okay, so let me pick one block that has image in it and see the differences. Okay, so background image and the image. So okay, let's pick this one. This looks good to me. Yeah, it looks good as well. Now here I have saved this block, so I will go to the preview and let's see if we can optimize this image. Open image in a new tab. So we have opened this image and we see this image is really big, and if I download this image, let's say we save this image, boom, the image is saved. Now you see the image is 149 kilobyte. Okay, so this is a lot of data here to download for the user. So let's see how we can reduce the data from here. Okay, now let's see the sizing requirement for this section. Actually, what we will be doing is you could do editing by yourself, or you can simply just use our built-in editor actually. So here you go. I will download this picture actually. Okay, it's already downloaded and it's inside desktop, so it is already downloaded. Now we will see the requirement of this image. So before we can do a little tweak here with the code. If we click the upper div here, we can see the requirement is 585 in white. So, okay, so we need 585 pixel in white. So let's see how we can do that. We will go ahead and click on this image and delete this image, and we will be uploading a complete new image from here. So let me go ahead and grab that picture here. So it was 155 kilobyte maybe, so let me just check it. Yeah, 149 kilobyte. Now I have uploaded this picture again. Here you go, and it's still same. So what I will be doing is that I will be clicking on edit image, and from this is a bigger image. Okay, and my requirement was actually to make it like 585. Okay, so I will make it edit with white and I will enter 585. Here you go. So the image is correctly sized, and here we go. We can reduce the quality a little bit. Let's say we use an A70 as quality. It will try to reduce the image size, keeping the quality as high as possible. So I will keep it 65. Still the image looks sharp, so I will go down even further. So as long as the image looks good, I can keep down, but I will keep it 60 and then click update. So I have now two images here. This is the last one we have copied. I will select this one. Boom. So the image is here and it's properly sized. And now I will be reloading this page and see if we have any effect here. Here you go. So in terms of design, it doesn't have much effect in it, but let's see the image size. If the size is actually reduced, and if we have any yeah, so we have a little reduced size. Now I will save it to make sure the total size of this image, and voila, we have reduced from 149 kilobyte to just 30 kilobyte. Okay, and we can do that even less, or we can even reduce it even further if we reduce the quality of the image. Though it sounds like reducing the quality, but it tries to keep the main quality as much as possible. Okay, so, and we have a lot of other options as well. For example, to use from. So this was the original image. To use from. So this, and see what was there. Added image, yeah, 60. We can reduce even. Let's see if we just click, if make it 40. How it affect? Still looks good. Sharp and true. Yeah, we have a lot of other options here. You could just utilize all of these settings here, and maybe you could also use the ratio from here. So yeah, this is how you can make your website optimized or image optimized. And other optimization tips we will be making by default, so you don't have to worry all the other things. But images is something would make your website slow, so I would recommend you always resize your image using this tool, because this tool will resize it actually instead of the HTML code resizing it for you. Okay, so